And on Tuesday, Pennsylvania voters took a first step toward a potential overhaul of the property tax system. Now, this could affect more than just homeowners. Eyewitness News reporter Henry Rosoff joins us now in Center City to explain who may see the biggest impact. Henry?
Yuki, that's right. Following yesterday's election, property owners could get a pretty big tax break, but there's a catch for everyone. Other taxes like sales and income taxes, they could be going up. So we spoke with a financial accountant to help break it down, as well as some city leaders.
You know, that famous adage, don't tax you, don't tax me, tax the guy behind that tree.
Let's face it, nobody likes taxes.
It does not help us as working people.
So perhaps it's not surprising that yesterday, when voters statewide had a chance to approve lowering their property taxes, they did it. The Pennsylvania legislature still needs to work out the details, but soon cities could allow homeowners to avoid paying property taxes in what's called a homestead tax exemption. Cities will then presumably replace the lower property taxes with higher sales and income taxes.
I have clients that complain about the increase in real estate taxes.
Accountant Kevin Chu with the Philly firm Internal Tax Service and other tax experts say there are clear winners and losers here. Homeowners, especially fixed-income seniors, could save money, whereas schools, which rely on property tax income, and renters, who won't see a tax break at all, come out behind. Chu suggests some people may adjust how they live, work, and even shop based on what cities decide.
More people will drive to Delaware to make a purchase instead of making purchase in PA.
So people will work around it.
That's right.
Though we found out that for now, Philadelphians specifically don't need to worry about a big tax change, according to the city council's finance chairwoman. So no property tax change, and in that, no sales or income tax changes?
Absolutely no change whatsoever related to this homestead exemption.
And if you're in a municipality where changing around the taxes sounds interesting to you or perhaps frightening to you, you've got some time, because the state legislature still needs to act and then your local government needs to act. So many votes ahead before you see this actually impacting you, but that change is coming. Live in Center City, Henry Rosoff, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.